Hey guys, today we will be learning how you can hide your profile without actually using the Facebook lock feature. Start by opening your profile, click on the settings option, click on profile settings. Once you've done that, click on the option of privacy. Click on the option of who can see your future post. When you select that, click on see more and select the option of only me. Save your settings and go back. Click on the option of limit who can see past post and click on the option of limit past post. Confirm your action and go back. Click on the next option who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Click on see more and click on the option of only me. What you need to do is go back again and click on the next option who can see your future reels. Click on the option of friends and go back again. Make more changes, click on who can send you friend request. When you do that, you can select the option of friends. That will restrict your account more. Click on the option of who can see your friend list. Click on see more and click on only me. Go back and select the next option who can look you up after using email address you provided. When you click on that option, click on only me again and go back. Click on the next option who can look you up, click on only me and then that's it folks. All you need to do is hide your profile by changing a little bit of minor changes in everything without using the lock profile. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed it.